Okay, I'm in New River, and okay, there is the moon. There is the satellite that tracks me, and it is maybe 11:30. Oh, who's he talking to? And this bird just keeps flying around. What the hell is going on? Has anyone heard of a bird flying around at 11 o'clock at night or 11:30 at night? And it's been flying around for the last hour, but I just decided to take a picture of it now. It's the weirdest thing. I don't understand what's going on with the birds. I thought birds sleep at night. But this bird, oh, let me see. Okay, that's the moon. Like I said, that's the satellite or drone or what have you that tracked me all the way from Phoenix to New River. Yeah, let me get him. Let me get him on camera. Yeah, that's that thing right there. I don't know if it's a fallen angel or a drone or a satellite. I have no clue. But oh, what just happened there? Oh, okay. But the moon is right above me. Oh, lousy camera. Oh, is it what? Wait a minute. Is there another one? And then there was two birds. Oh, where is that? There it is. There he is. There's, oh, shit. There's, what the hell? Who is this? Oh. There's a bird that's just flying.